Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thank you all for viewing and subscribing. Thumbs up, all appreciated. Thank you very much. And today we're going to make a drink called PIC-A-DE-CROP Punch. It's from Jessica Gonzalez. She has some really good cocktails. So let's get started. I'm going to mix it in this glass. Calls for 3 Plantation Bourbon Court rum, 5-year, 3. And I've got a rum barrel here full of ice, ready to receive. And a Hamilton 151, a half. I always tell people when you're putting this in their drink. And 1/2 Van Osten Batavia Arrack. This is a rice rum, 100 proof. 1/2. And 1 Apricot liqueur, not brandy, liqueur. I'm looking over my shoulder at the recipe. Quite a few ingredients. And 1.5 lime juice, fresh. And 1.5 pineapple juice. I use the Dole from the can. I don't like to squeeze pineapples. 1.5. And 1 grapefruit. I'm using the ruby pink. Can't find white around here, so using that. And 1 evaporated cane. This is 2 sugar, 1 water. And 2 dashes of Angostura. That off my hands. Okay, we're going to give this a light shake. And pour that right into the rum keg. Long straw. And some lime wheels. And there it is, the PIC-A-DE-CROP Punch. This is for 2 people, except for the part I spilled on the mat. Anyway, I hope you like it. Comes in at 21%. And just keep watching if you don't mind. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.